Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get your ZTE Max Blue into safe mode and out of safe mode. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so I'm going to show you first how to get into safe mode. It's very quick. And then once we're into safe mode, I'll show you how to get out of it. So in case you got into it and you got out, you'll be able to do that now. So first off, to get into safe mode, all you got to do is press and hold the power off button. So the power off menu is going to appear. Once you see this, you're going to tap and hold power off. And it's going to give you this option right here, which is reboot to safe mode. So here you're going to hit OK. Give it a couple seconds and the phone will reboot into safe mode. Alright, so the phone has rebooted, and as you can see, we are now in safe mode. Once we're here in safe mode, I'm going to show you how to get out of it. It's also very simple. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to press and hold the power off button, and we're going to select restart. So just regular restart now, and it will restart normally again. Alright, and as we can see, it is no longer in safe mode as it doesn't say it down here anymore. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video how to get your ZTE Max Blue into safe mode and out of safe mode. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.